Hey everybody, today I want to do an unboxing of the Rimowa original cabin. This one is the Monogram New York City exclusive. So here we go, this is the dust bag cover. So I'm gonna take it off and voila, here it is. Absolutely beautiful. And before we begin, I wanna go over some of the stuff that comes inside. Here you have a sticker set. You also have the lifetime guarantee booklet, which has different languages, and also a complimentary luggage tag over here, which you can also have it stamped with your name on it. Going back to the luggage itself, this is the, again, the original cabin monogram edition. So it has the Rimowa monogram in yellow on here. And the cool thing about this one, just move the tag out of the way, is that the color is actually anodized onto the aluminum frame, meaning that it is actually fused onto the metal itself. So that it doesn't scratch or peel away over time. So it's just absolutely gorgeous. Other than that, everything else is pretty much the same. You have the classic TSA approved locks, and you also have chrome hardware in the back. Now, of course, you have the handle, which is spring loaded to snap back into place like this. And what I like about this is that they actually include a rubber guard over here so that it does protect the handle from not scratching when it does spring back into place. Of course, you have the Rimowa plate over here, etched in here and filled in with black. So it's very clear. And one of the cool things about this New York City exclusive limited edition one is that you have the coordinates of the Madison Avenue, New York City store etched onto the back, just below the telescopic handle, right? And this specific edition was actually created in honor of that specific Madison Avenue store opening in 2025. So again, just giving you a clear look at the monogram, which is absolutely beautiful. Now, something I've noticed about the wheels, and we'll talk about the wheels, right? Everyone always talks about just how smooth the luggage rolls, and it absolutely is a dream to move, like just like butter, right? It's very easy to glide along the floor. Now, the cool thing about this specific wheel that you might notice is that there is a monogram in the middle. And the cool thing about this is that no matter how you move the wheel, the monogram always stays upright, right? This is a little detail that people might not notice unless they own the actual suitcase, right? And these are the little details that make, in my opinion, the high price tag worth it, right? And going back to telescopic handles, this does move all the way up. And the cool thing about this is that once you reach the halfway point, you can actually adjust the handle to any point, right? So this is great for people who have different heights, or maybe you have a backpack that you want to put onto the handle. So when you do move your luggage around the airport, you can adjust it to different heights, right? So put that back down. Now looking at the luggage itself, you have, of course, the locks over here. 1 and 2, and to open it, you just press it over here. It'll actually like move back up or move forward, and to open this one, you press it in and it'll move forward like this. And so we'll just put it down. So on the inside, it basically looks just like any other original cabin, except in the middle over here, it says, focus on that, New York City exclusive, and it says this one is made in Germany. So I thought that was a nice touch that they actually said that it was made in, it's a New York City exclusive. So this is the limited edition one. But again, just like any other original suitcase, the inside is pretty much the same. So you have, of course, pretty deep space to put a lot of stuff. Same thing over here. So this snaps back on. You have a small zipper compartment over here. You also have a zipper compartment over here, which is where the booklet actually came in when you first opened the set. So that's it, right? And again, these are the wheels. Just to give you a demonstration, you notice that the monogram doesn't move, even though the wheel does. It's kind of like a Rolls Royce. I just think it's a really nice touch. So overall, I really like the suitcase. It did cost a pretty penny. It is about $1,900 US retail, which cost me just over $2,000 after including taxes. Is it worth it? In my opinion, it depends on what you're looking for. I personally like this one. This is actually my first Rimowa bag. I was originally debating getting the original cabin, just the plain Jane one without the monogram. But I figured I'm gonna spend $1,500-1,600. I might as well just spend a couple $100 more and just get something that feels a little bit more exclusive and limited. I saw this New York City edition. There's actually another one, a British one. I think it's the London edition, which has the same monogram pattern, but in British racing green. And I actually like that one, but I ended up getting the New York one because of course I'm not British. I didn't want to feel like a poser getting that one. So this one, I really like this one. So the dust bag here. Oh, and also if you turn the dust bag over, you have the Rimowa monogram as well here. So overall, I really like this bag. Everything is very high quality. I love the little attention to detail, especially the wheels, right? Everything's great, and I can't wait to go on trips with this carry-on luggage bag. And I'll definitely do more video updates of me packing and going on trips in the future with my new Rimowa original cabin monogram, New York City exclusive. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.